take Dakota out again. It's been a minute, huh, Dakota? All right, see if she wants to spend the day out. If she's happy to spend the day out with her dad, and maybe we see some coyotes, huh, Dakota? Okay. And we're gonna try a new word to see if we can get you out there. Been having a hard time getting her to even engage, like just go out and stand there and look at the coyotes, because she's trying to behave, heal. So I'm gonna ask her if I see a coyote, Dakota, who's here? Because that normally sets her off when she's at the house. Yes. Okay. Alright, we'll give it a shot. Hopefully we call something. Yes, okay. What do you think, Dakota? Let's go see what we got. Come on. She still hasn't decided that she's gonna. Oop. Somebody got a flat tire. Hold on 1 second. Okay, we fixed the flat tire, didn't we, Dakota? Let's go take a look at her coyote. I can tell you're smelling it. Yeah, he's down, or she. Let's see. I have the call sitting right there in there, cholla. I like setting up in chollas because if a rabbit just were stuck in there, it'd be bellowing like hell, and it's hard for them to see the call. So anyway, well, what do you think, Dakota? Sniffed a coyote? What do you think, Dakota? Yeah, okay. So this place here where I'm at, I've always wanted to call off the side of the road. It's a little close to the road. There's a lot of traffic on this road, but coming in here, normally if you come from the other side, you top the hill, and you know, it silhouettes the whole area, so I've just never called it. But this time I came in from that way, which is down lower, and when I came in, I happened upon some very fresh. It was still, I mean, it's still wet. And anytime I see something like that, if there's an area that's open to call, I call it, because that, I mean, I'm not saying it's the coyote that came in, but it's not a bad tactic. So anyway, on to the next. Well, me and Dakota had a good time out hunting. Called in on the first stand. Forgot to hit record. It's a new stand, so I'm going to have to tweak it a little bit. Both times I've called in there, I've only been there twice, so it's a good stand, but they're coming in cautious. So I think I may have to try something out a little bit different, maybe a little bit of a different tactic. But we ended up getting one. It's getting into the end of December. Things do slow down a little bit, at least where I'm at. And but Dakota, I think Dakota had a good time, didn't you, Dakota? Yeah, let's get a better. There's Dakota. She's too busy looking out. Anyway, she didn't do nothing. She saw the coyote, didn't do nothing. I don't think she's ever gonna do anything. think she's just happy being out there. So sometimes they're just good companions. That's okay. On Dakota. All right. Well, see you next time.